here's the good news. So the question the sellers all want to know is what's got to happen for this market to get my prices to go up again, right? We just talked about rates. So we know now it's 5.5 or lower that's going to really move the needle there on affordability. Income growth is always another factor in the market heating up. And right now, Lee County income growth is hovering around 5%. You figure a 3% inflation rate, there's not a lot of that making it to the housing budget. So we're not counting on that one. Supply and demand is always the big one, in my opinion, because we know if it's 3 months or less supply, prices go up. If it's 3 months to 6 months, it's kind of a neutral market. Prices remain flat. But when you go over 6 months, supply, now there's more sellers than buyers, and prices have downward pressure. In fact, prices did drop year over year, something like around 4% year over year in Lee County because of this. So we don't see that changing too much right now because it's 6.6 months supply. But here's the good news. It was 8.5 months supply a year ago. So it's going the right direction.
We're starting to see, from where we were at the beginning of the year, the inventory's gone down. That's been funneling the buyers into the homes that are on the market. And I think kind of getting to your point, if we can continue on that trajectory, rates going down slowly, buyers entering the market and increasing in volume slowly, and the inventory continuing to trend down, once again, slowly. We are slowly recovering, but this is a recovery process. Our market's been soft for what? What would you say, about 3 years?
3 years. We're kind of back to almost 2021 prices right now.
Do you think by the end of the season, the market's going to be shooting back up again? Look, we've gone down for 3 years. Isn't it fair to assume it could take 3 years to correct the mess, get back to where we were? So, we're looking at a longer term plan here.
So for sellers, we're telling them, make your plans to either sell now, but if you're not, like let's say they're going to rent it instead of sell it, that it should be a multi-year process, right? They're not going to suddenly see higher prices this season, for example. As much as we might like to see that, there's no data that's supporting that out there.